Working hard to make people happy is our first priority. Sharing the praise when someone takes the time to appreciate our efforts is a luxury. Here's what one person had to say. This is a powerful testament to our dedicated team effort that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. We're glad you had the chance to come and visit us today. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.